Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-compact computing with the Minisforum Mercury EM780 mini PC. This little powerhouse promises to deliver top-notch performance in a tiny form factor, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design. The Minisforum Mercury EM780 is incredibly small, about 1/4 the size of your typical mini PC, making it one of the smallest on the market. Despite its size, it packs a punch with an AMD Ryzen 7 7840U processor and AMD Radeon 780M graphics, which are quite impressive for its compact nature. Moving on to build quality, it's solidly constructed with a minimalist aesthetic. The device features a Cold Wave 2.0 cooling system, which keeps it cool under heavy loads without excessive fan noise. A crucial feature for such a small device. In terms of connectivity, the M780 doesn't disappoint. It offers a range of ports including USB 4, USB 3.2, HDMI, and even supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. This makes it versatile for connecting to various peripherals and accessories, despite its limited internal storage options. Now, let's get into performance. This mini PC is surprisingly powerful. It handles tasks like video editing in DaVinci Resolve and Photoshop with ease. Thanks to its high-speed M.2 PCIe 4.0 SSD and up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. Gaming performance is also decent, although you might need to adjust settings for smoother gameplay in more demanding titles. Speaking of benchmarks, the EM780 scores impressively across the board. From Geekbench to Cinebench and gaming benchmarks like Firestrike and TimeSpy. It consistently demonstrates its capability to handle both creative and office tasks efficiently. In real-world use, the M780 feels snappy and responsive. Applications launch quickly, multitasking is smooth, and overall, it offers a pleasant user experience whether you're working on spreadsheets or enjoying some downtime with gaming. So, should you buy the Minisforum Mercury EM780? If you're looking for a compact yet powerful PC that doesn't compromise on performance, and you don't mind the premium price tag, then absolutely yes. It's perfect for professionals needing a space-saving solution without sacrificing productivity. However, if you're on a tight budget or prioritize extensive upgrade options, you might want to consider other alternatives. To sum it up, the Minisforum Mercury EM780 impresses with its combination of compact design and robust performance. Whether you're a creative professional, a gamer, or someone looking for a powerful mini PC for everyday tasks, this device ticks a lot of boxes. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.